जय श्रीमन्नारायण. श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 10th श्लोका. Sanjaya is saying to Dhritarashtra, "O Dhritarashtra, Arjuna is a great soldier. Now he is crying, standing in between both armies. Arjuna is doing what he is not supposed to be doing. Arjuna is doing crying where he is supposed to be not crying." So after looking at this, Krishna Paramatma, because Arjuna is a very good friend of Krishna Paramatma, now Sri Krishna Paramatma looking at Arjuna and giving a nice smile and about to say something. Having this meaning running in our thought, thinking that we are sitting in the shoes of Arjuna at the feet of Sri Krishna Paramatma, and also thinking that Krishna Paramatma giving his Gitopadesam to us directly, let us now chant the sloka. Tamuvacha Hrishikesaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayoho Ubhayor Madhye Vishidantam Idam Vachaha. Om. Krishna Paramatma is known as Hrishikesa. That means he can control the sensory organs and everything of each and every entity in this entire universe. Now Krishna Paramatma making the entire army, including all the animals and everything, paused. And Krishna Paramatma kept only Arjuna active so that he could listen to him. Now Krishna Paramatma, to remove the sorrow of, to remove the anxiety of, to remove the confusion of Arjuna. Not only that, to remove the confusion and sorrow and pain and all the anxiety of each and every entity in this entire universe, through Arjuna, by taking Arjuna as an excuse. Now Krishna Paramatma getting ready to disclose the quintessence of all the Upanishads, which is known as Gita Amrutam. Krishna Paramatma getting ready to give the Gita Amrutam to the entire universe. The moral from this sloka which we have to be practicing: do not cry for false reasons, and also believe in this. Elderly people, even if they speak very formally to us, even while giving a smile, whatever they speak, make sure you listen to them properly so that will be very greatly useful to you. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me. Keep on inculcating love and devotion towards me. Keep dedicating all your actions to me and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Keep on thinking that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Do not cry. Ma Suchaha. Keep reading at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Keep on spreading this Gita Amrutam among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall take care of you. I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I would not cry for false reasons. O Sriman Narayana, elderly people, even if they speak anything, even while smiling and formally speaking anything to me, I will definitely pay my full attention to whatever they speak. O Sriman Narayana, I shall always be thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on inculcating love and devotion towards you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on dedicating all my actions to you and keep saying Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. O Sriman Narayana, I shall always will be thinking that I am your belonging. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely read at least one sloka a day from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Let us do namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Suka Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamapeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Suta Maharshi is saying to all Savanaka and other Maharshis, O Maharshis, now Sri Krishna Paramatma is about to enter Dwaraka Nagaram. All the people from Dwaraka praying to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Krishna, your smile, which is filled up with love and affection towards you, and your compassion, which is there in your divine vision, and your wide, beautiful eyes. Without seeing all this, Krishna, we cannot live on this earth. And to see, to enjoy all these things, how blessed we are, Krishna. Even all the devatas also will not get this kind of opportunity to enjoy everything of you. Premasmita snigdha nirikshananam pasyema rupam tava sarva saubhagam. We are so fortunate to be able to enjoy all your gestures and enjoy all your beautiness, handsomeness, expressions. O Krishna, Velpulaina, O Tanri, Bhavan Mukhambujamu, Dhanyataganaru Mavidhambunan. Just like us, even Devatas also have not get this kind of opportunity so far. O Ambujaksha, O Krishna, you blessed us so much. So, some few days back, you went to Kurudesam to meet your friends, to meet your relatives. Ever since you left Dwaraka and went to Hastinapuram, for every second we have been remembering you, and every second was equivalent of 1 crore years to us. Tatra abjakoti pratimaha kshano bhavet. Every minute, every second was hundreds of crores of years for us. Like that we could not bear your separation, Krishna. Oh Krishna, whenever you are not there with us, it is like when sun is not there in the noon time, as and how the day looks, so also having you, no, not having you with us looks like us. We feel like that. Oh Prabhu, oh Sri Krishna, your smile, which can remove all kind of our pains. Without seeing your smile, we cannot spend even a single moment, Krishna. The beautiful, very pleasant face. Without seeing your beautiful, very pleasant face, we cannot spend even a single moment on this earth, Krishna. Oh Krishna, that is why Echotiki vicheyaka machikato undavaya managaramunan. That is why please do not go anywhere. Always give us your company, always give us your association, always give us your divine smile, always give us an opportunity to enjoy your divine face. Like this, all the people from Dwaraka kept on praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. After listening to all of their tenderness, Krishna Paramatma showering all of them just with his compassionate vision, the graceful vision. That vision showered on each and every one. After that, Krishna Paramatma now is entering into Dwaraka, which has been protecting by Madhu, Bhoja, Dasarha, Kukkuru, Andhaka, Vrishni, all these great soldiers who are equivalent to Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are all protecting Dwaraka. Into such Dwaraka, Sri Krishna Paramatma is now entering. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 10th sloka. Tamuvacha Hrishikesaha Prahasanniva Bharata Senayoho Ubhayormadhye Vishidantam Idam Vachaha. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.